Hello and welcome to another unboxing. And in today's video, I managed to find something rare. A Matchbox Super Chase. Yeah, I'm gonna be breaking people's hearts by opening it. Yep. Now, I did open another Super Chase previously. I think maybe more than 6 months ago. It was this BMW. The 3 Series. Yep. And now, let me open the Audi R8. And here it is. Wow. A 2007 Audi R8. Now, if you remember from a little bit while ago, I did open another Audi R8. It was from a 2023 Matchbox 5 pack. And now, we have this beauty. A rubber tire car. How I managed to get two super chases, but one super treasure hunt? Wow. How about that? I guess I'm really lucky. Yeah. And that's it. Bye bye.